In today's video, we are going to solve the logarithm of a negative number. As you all might know that the logarithm of a negative number is not defined in real value, but in this video we are going to stretch the range of the logarithm function to complex values, so then we can find the logarithm of a negative number. So let's start with the general case, that is log of negative x base e, where x is a non-negative integer. We have taken x as a non-negative integer to ensure that the negative x will always be a negative integer. So we can write it as log of -1 times x base e, because minus x can be written as -1 times x, and using the properties of log we can write it as log of -1 base e plus log of x base e. So as x is a non-negative integer, this is a real value, and for this part let's write 1 as a complex value. So let's draw the Argand's plane. So this is the imaginary axis and this is the real axis. So -1, as this is a real value, will be somewhere near this one. This is -1, this is +1, this is I, and this is -I. So as we can know that a number which is x plus iy, a complex number, can be written as r cos theta plus I sin theta, where r is equals to root under x squared plus y squared, and theta is equals to the argument of that complex number. So actually the r means the distance of that point on the Argand's plane from origin. So as we can see that the distance here, which is this number, is actually -1 plus 0i is 1. So well, it is actually a distance, so we don't have to take the negative. So this is 1, and the argument or the angle made with the positive x-axis, this is pi here. So from Euler's form, any number which is cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as e to the power I theta. This is the Euler's formula. So in this case, for this case, so -1 can be written as 1 times cos pi plus I sin pi is equals to e to the power I pi. So this actually gives you the more specific formula which you might have already known, which is e to the power I pi plus 1 is equals to 0. This is a very famous formula, but now for this function let's focus on this. So -1 can be written as log e times e to the power I pi plus log x base e. So as this is in the power, we can write it in front, times log e base e plus log x base e, and as you know that log e base e is actually 1, so this can be written as log x base e plus I pi. But actually this is the principal value for the argument here, because actually, let's draw that here, when you take -1, you can go half round or 1.5 rounds or 2.5 rounds and so on. So this is actually the general argument here will be theta is equals to 2n plus 1 pi, where n belongs to whole numbers, because if you put n is equal to 0, the argument is going to be pi. If you put n is equal to 1, the argument is going to be 3 pi. So the general solution for this equation, which is log of minus x, sorry, so the general solution for this function, which is log of minus x, is going to be base e, is going to be I times 2n plus 1 pi plus log x base e, which I can write it as x plus iy form, which is log x base e plus 2n plus 1 pi times I. So this is the general solution for logarithm of any negative number. Thank you for watching.